Hey everyone, as you can see, we're going to see how it looks with the smoke. I put in the fan and yeah, let's see if it looks good or bad. Here goes, the light is on as well. And the fan is on. And I don't know actually if you can see or not. I think you can see better here over the black. You can see it's pouring much better, blowing away from the car. Yeah, I'm super happy with this and with the light. So yeah, that's all for this time. Now we will repaint it and so on, and I will show you that. So see you around, everyone.